Hi, welcome to Sharisfab. So I got this holiday pack from Amazon, and I typically don't like the uh, the double-sided kind, unless it's the same, but it's different on each side. I really don't like that type of paper, but I got it because I wanted some Christmas or holiday theme for paper, winter theme paper, and you know, it's got a lot of things that I can use for my miniatures as well as for my paper crafts that I do, making the boxes, the occasion boxes, and you know, I'm going to show you what I made today. Look at this, the labels. I can make some labels already ready made, and it came with some stickers, so I've used a few, as you can see. Yeah, but what I've been working on is it's a paper craft, and it's for gift cards and money presents. So I've been making these boxes out of that paper. So this one, you just open up. You open it up, and then inside you'll see that it has an envelope. So in the inside of there, the inside, put a sticker in there. Put a button there, some Velcro, and that's where you put the money. If they want to write a note, they can. But yeah, so that's that one. And this one, I thought it was really pretty, and I had these tags, even though it came with some tags that I could cut out, but I had these little tags I got like at the thrift store that I put on here. And this one, you just open it up. See the inside. I just put some green paper on the bottom of that. I have a little button with some Velcro. Open it up. I put a little sticker there. That's where you will put the money or the gift card. And then here's another option. Just open that up. Out of this box, that was the back of the paper. And I tried to make this like a little wallet. You know, but this is where the money goes, where I have the green paper. But that one. And then there's this one. Let's get this opened up. That's the inside of the paper, reverse side. And then this is the season. Put little stickers in there. And this is just for a gift card. Then they'll put the gift card on the sticky tack right there. There you go. So it's just a little paper craft, little things I do, make a little extra money here and there sometimes. But it's just ways that you can use paper, you know, because I use a lot of times I use it for wallpaper, different things for my doll houses and things like that. And I'll show you a project coming up soon of what I'm working on. And but I just want to show you the paper craft that I was working on, money and gift card holders with boxes. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, like, please, and if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Any questions, comments, or anything, just put them down there, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.